Today we are going to look at changing and adding elements in a list. So launch your PyCharm ID and create a new Python file. Call it changing list elements. Press enter. So we can begin by creating a list. You can just create a list by creating a variable and initializing it. So let me create one. So I can call it my lucky numbers. Then I initialize it. So let's look at appending elements. You can easily append an element by adding a new item to the list. So let's say my lucky numbers is equals to my lucky numbers. Then we can use a plus sign. Then square bracket. Then the variable. Can call this 7. If you print that, let's see the output. Now as you can see, my variable has this new element. So what about adding an element using the append function? I can just say my lucky numbers dot append. I can say 20. So if you run that, you'll get 7 and 20. Okay, what about adding a number? I can just say my lucky numbers dot append. Let's say number 8. You don't need to put it within quotation marks. If you run that, you get 7, 20 and 8. So 7 and 20 are strings and 8 is an integer. So let's look at appending multiple elements. You can just say my lucky numbers equals to my lucky numbers plus then square bracket. When we add the number, we can add the number 2. Can add a 6, let's say, and maybe a 3. If I run this code, I get 7, 28, 2, 6 and 3. Now what about inserting an element? You can use the insert then we define the index. Let's say if you want to insert at the beginning of the list, you can use index 0, then the value can say 20. If you run that, 20 comes at the beginning of the list. If you want to insert at the end, you can just count the number of elements. So you can say my lucky numbers dot insert. Let's say index 6, and the value is, let's say 90. If you run that, you get 90 here. What if you want to change the value of an element? If you want to change the value of 7 of the second index, let's say from 7 a string to 7 a number, you can just say my lucky numbers, then our square bracket, then we put the index. So 7 is at index 1, so put 1, then we can change it to 7. Let's run that. So it has changed from 7 a string to 7 a number. You can also print this. So as you can see, number 7 has changed from a string to a number. You can also do this to other elements. Let's say my lucky numbers, 0 is equals to 20. If you run this, 20 changes to 20 a number. Thank you.